Alright, so we've still got this area down here. Believe one thing we can do to check to see what is hard-coded, it's called go to special. So I'm hitting F5, which is go to, and then we'll go to special, and we're asking, show us all the or highlight all the constants. Alright, so all these are formulas. These items are hard-coded, which is fine. This is hard-coded. This over here we're not going to adjust. Okay, so we did those already. We have the survey response rate and percentage reporting one or more internships. So again, that's the using go to special constants in particular to just highlight what's a constant. Alright, so we'll start here, survey response rate, and this is again for the major. Alright, we'll start from scratch, even though we could go up and grab something. So equal count ifs table 1's the data, academic year, and we'll build this so we can pull it across, or copy it across. So we've got there's for the academic year, and then we'll do the major. Again, we'll adjust this later so that we'll change all of these from table 1 accounting to using the indirect, use the value in B2. Right now we'll stick with the accounting. Okay, accounting's 1. Survey response rate, so who responded? How many folks responded? So we got a response of 1. Okay. Let's make sure that works. Alright, so that's the 123 that we have up here. We could actually, well, I'm not going to say we could, right here we could actually use these values and just divide, but we're going to be able to copy this across. So we're going to divide this by the total number of accounting majors that graduated, so we'll just copy this. That's a little easier. Paste it, Control V to paste, and we just need to edit out the response being 1. Okay, so 96% response rate. Alright, and I think we'll be able to drag that across. Excuse me, copy it across, not drag it. Remember, if dragging is going to create issues. Okay, so instead of dragging, we'll copy, Control C, and then paste. Alright, we have the D28 there. We just glance at it to make sure it looks okay. Alright, now last we've got percentage reporting one or more internships. So somewhat similar to what we did up there. Alright, so count ifs again. Got the academic year. We'll refer to C28 again so we can drag it across. Or then accounting major. Finally, did they do an internship? Now you need to be familiar with the data somewhat. I'm not going to take time to look at it, but I think if we, let's see, internship. Yeah, so we've got a field that's internship, 1 for yes, 0 for no. Now, if I was a little more careful here, or I've done this earlier, I would take time to actually look at the data to see if I need to do something different than I might expect. But in this case, I already know, so we'll just go do that with a 1. Alright, so it's going to tell us the number of folks that did an internship. Okay, so basically we've not divided yet, so that's basically 79 did an internship, or reported one anyway. Now, I should have actually backed out. Did we have a response or included that? So let's go back up here. Do we have a response? So table 1, response to the survey, that is. There could be some folks that didn't respond, so we don't know if they had an internship or not. Okay, I didn't take but 1 out, it looked like. Alright, so we will now copy this. I didn't need the equal sign. Control C to copy. And we're going to paste it, Control V, and then we'll edit. So the only thing we need to take out is the internship. So we're dividing by the number of respondents. Okay. Alright, so we got 63% there. We should be able to just copy this across. Okay, so I think we've done everything but change the accounting reference to what is in B2 using the indirect. But let's first, to check to see if we've done everything that needs to be, I'll go back and use the find special again, or go to special, and constants. So I'm looking to see if is there anything that I think should be a formula that's highlighted. Delete these things down here. So I think we've built everything out. Okay, I certainly would do some further checking on this. Okay, just hit escape there, or get out. Let's go ahead and delete these items. Alright, so we're going to now get rid of the table 1 accounting, change that to an indirect. Alright, we're going to use Control H, that is find and replace. So let me get a cell that's got indirect in it. So here's an example of use of indirect for our purposes. So that's what we want to change to. I'll just copy that, escape, Control H, and I'll put that in replace with. Go back out here, and we used accounting here, table 1 accounting. So what Excel will do is, in this worksheet, go through and find every reference that's table 1 accounting exactly, change it to this indirect, and that I think we're good to go there. That should be locked in. Not that it really matters here in this case. So good idea to see if it works here. I'll do that. Okay, do replace just that 1. Okay, so it didn't error out, so we're looking fine there. Replace, replace, and I could keep doing that individually, but we'll just do replace all. And it made 19 replacements. Okay, so now I'm going to go up here, I hit economics, so this should update. Okay, as well as down below. And I could actually, let's see, there is accounting there, but let's just double check. I'll do Control F and see, well, is accounting showing up anywhere? Only, well, there's one. And that's it, actually, just in that little bit right there that we weren't working with. All right. So that wraps this up. And again, in practice, I do a bit of testing on this actually before releasing it.